Good afternoon, students. Welcome to mathematics class. So we are discussing actually question paper, model paper 2. So today we have to discuss question number 31. Okay. So question number 31 is like this. The lengths of the tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside it. Okay, the lengths of the tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside it. So, what happened actually? If we draw tangents from the outside the point, are the tangents are unequal, equal? What is your answer? Option A unequal, option B equal, option C real are equal and radius of the circle equal to radius of the circle are equal to diameter of the circle. Which option is right, Anish? Can I get Anish?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Anish.
Option B are equal.
Yes, are equal. External point in the circle ಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಲೆಂತ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಥೇರಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥೇರಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 32. In the given circle with center O, okay, so in the given circle with the center O, ACB, AE and BD are the tangent. ACB, okay, AE and BD are the tangents. Then AB is equal to 12 centimeter. If complete AB measurement, AB side measurement is 12 centimeter. This AE which is equal to 3 centimeter. Then what is the length of BD? Very simple question. See, here only we'll work out actually. Total AB is 12. What is this here? 1 second, I'll take this one. This total AB is 12, no? So we know that these are tangents, no? AC and AE are act like a tangent. Then AC and AE are equal. See here, very related question. Are equal tangents. External point in the draw ಮಾಡೋ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಜಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಎ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಇ ಆರ್ ಅ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಇ. Then in the same way, BC which is equal to BD, right? No, AB is 12, AE is 3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ AE 3 ಆದ್ರೆ AC ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 12 ಇದೆ. 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ AC 3 ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ BC ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 9 ಆಯ್ತು. If BC is 9, then BC and BD are the tangent from the external point B, no? So then BC which is equal to BD, then BC and BD both are equal, that is 9. Option D, 9 centimeter is the right answer. I think you have got the same answer, no? Yes, this is about the question number 32. Now question number 33. In a circle with center O, the secant is very important. Okay, so in the beginning of the circle topic, we discussed the definition of secant, tangent, right? Now, in a circle with center O, now here we have one circle with center O. So here the secant, which is a secant now? So we are having AB, option PQ, option A PQ, option B XY, option C QR, and option D AB. Now the question for Kripa. Kripa, can I get Kripa?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Which is your option, Kripa?
Option B, XY.
Option B XY. Why? Can you define secant now?
Secant is a line which intersects a circle at 2 points.
Yeah, a line which intersect the circle at 2 points is called as a secant of the circle. Now you can observe AB which touches the circle at only 1 point. Then PQ, it's a line segment actually, it's a diameter. Then this PQ is also PQ and RQ. Okay, this is not a secant. Then XY is a line which intersect the circle in 2 distinct points. That's why, which is the right answer in the given figure? Actually, option B, XY is the secant of the circle. Now, question number 34. we are moving to question number 34. So here we have the key answer part. So I think no need to see the key answer part now, we discussed now just now. So next question number 34. Question number 34 is like this. A student divide a line. A student divided a line of length 9 centimeter in the ratio 2 is to 3 geometrically as shown in the figure. The correct lengths of AM and BM obtained by calculation are respectively equal to. Okay, now once again repeat the question. I'll repeat the question. A student divided a line of length 9 centimeter in the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, geometrically as shown in the figure. The correct lengths of AM and BM. Now we have to work out this AM and BM. How can we calculate AM and BM actually? Total measure of AB is 9 centimeter. But I need AM and BM separately. What is the hint actually? 2 is to 3 ratio is given. When the ratio is given, how to take the problem? 2 is to 3. Can I take it as 2x plus 3x is equal to total 9 centimeter? So that type we have to find out now. Now we have to find out x value. So then you have to see the answer. I'll explain. AB. So AB is 9 centimeter. It divides in the ratio 2 is to 3. That's why AM is to BM we have to take 2x is to 3x. That is 2x plus 3x is equal to total 9 centimeter. Then 2x plus 3x is 5x. 5x is equal to 9 centimeter. Then x is equal to 9 by 5, that is 1.8 centimeter. Then AM is, that is 2 into 1.8, 3.6, and BM is 3 into 1.8, 5.4. Clear no? Which option is right? 3.6 and 5.4 is option C. Got the idea of this problem no? Option C is the right answer. Yes. Now, very simple question. The correct relation between the sides of the triangle ABC in the figure is, in the given figure is. So, ABC you are observing, it's a right angle triangle. This measurement is B centimeter, AB is C centimeter, and BC is A centimeter. So, total 4 options are there. We have to check each relation which is the right. Here right angle triangle, in the sense we have to observe Pythagoras theorem. Square on the hypotenuse which is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Hypotenuse is actually here B. Right angle opposite side is B. Yes, Shanvi gave the answer that B square is equal to A square plus C square. Is it right? Yes, AC is B, that is AC square is B square, AB square is C square, BC square is A square. Yes, of course, option D is the right relationship. C square is equal to B square plus A square, it is wrong. This is not hypotenuse. Then A square, this is also wrong. Then here one more we have. B square is equal to C square minus A square? No. So, square on the hypotenuse which is equal to sum of the squares of the two sides. That is B square is equal to A square plus C square. Got the idea of this problem no? B square is equal to A square plus C square is the right option. Next, question number 36. Question number 36. The volume and the surface area of a sphere is numerically equal. They are talking about the figure, actually solid figure, sphere. Now it's a sphere. Volume and surface area equal. Then the radius of the sphere. Then how to take the sum? Volume of the sphere is equal to surface area of the sphere. That type we have to start the problem. Volume of the sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then surface area of the sphere is what actually? 4 pi r square no? Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So then we have to simplify. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 pi r square. So we have to solve at a time. Then what answer you will get here? See here, 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 pi r square. So pi get cancelled. So what is remaining now? Actually, so what you will get? 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 pi r square. After solving that, we'll get actually, see here, what we'll get actually, radius is equal to 3. How will get 3 actually? So here 4, you can take 1 by 3 outside. 4 by 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so 4 ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 by 3 is remaining. 4 into 1 by 3 pi r cube. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 pi r square. Pi cancel. Okay, next r cube r square. Here r square cancel, here 1 r is remaining. Okay, so next, or you can keep r cube is equal to r square. So 4 pi also you can cancel. That is easy actually. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 into 1 by 3 ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ 4 pi ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ 4 pi ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It is easy to strike out 4 pi. Then this side r cube is remaining, this side r square remaining. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 3 ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that 3 is shifted to this side, then it is 3r square. r cube is equal to 3r square ಆಯಿತು. r cube is equal to 3r square ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ r is equal to 3. How? r cube and r square, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ r square ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ r is equal to 3. So 3 units. Option A, 3 units. Got the idea of this problem now? Yes? Option A, 3 units. Right answer. Next, very simple question. A funnel given in the figure. Are you observing the funnel? Okay, so in the science class you have heard about this, right? No, a funnel in given in the, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಲಾಳಿಕೆ, ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಸೋಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೀಮೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೀಪಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್, ಎಸ್, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಬಾಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫನೆಲ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತೂ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕೆಲವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಕೋನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ? ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋನ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಫ್ರಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕೋನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕೋನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್? Second one, option B, a cylinder and a frustum of a cone. So option B, cylinder and a frustum of a cone is the right answer. Got the idea of this question now? Yes. So we are moving to next question. Question number 38. Now this is about the answer part. No, I don't want to answer question, only question. Yes. Question number 38. The solid is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends as shown in the figure. The solid is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and hemispheres are equal to r centimeter. The radius of the cylinder and hemispheres are equal to r centimeter. If the height of the cylinder is h centimeter, the volume of the solid is, volume of complete solid we have to take. Yes, it's a combination of cylinder with two hemisphere. Can I take two hemisphere as one sphere? When we join two hemisphere, one sphere alva. Hagadre, volume of this complete solid is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere anta ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದಾ? Yes. Volume of cylinder ಏನು? Pi r square h. Volume of sphere ಏನು? 4 by 3 pi r cube. ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. That is, see here, 4 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? ಪೈ ಅಂತೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ, ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ 4 by 3 ಆರ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು 4r divided by 3 plus h centimeter cube. Which option is right here? where we are observing which option is right, but they have given different answer, no, it is wrong actually. So which option is right? Here answer is answer B anta kottidare, but which is right answer? Pi r square h, 4 by 3 pi r cube, this is right now actually. So then pi r square outside, then 4 by 3 r plus h centimeter cube. Yes, here they have got the answer correct, but while mentioning the key answer they have did the mistake. Don't see this one, but we know the answer, no. Yes, that is pi r square into 4r by 3 plus h centimeter cube. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Got the idea of this problem now? Yes, this is the number question. This is actually question 38. Question number 38. Now, question number 39. The height and the radius of the base of a cone are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Then the slant height of the cone is. We know the relationship right now. Height and radius of the cone given. H is given, R is given. We have to find out the slant height of the cone. So slant height of the cone, we are mentioning it in the form of small l. So we got the right angle triangle relationship, Pythagoras relationship, no? So we'll get right angle triangle. In the cone actually, we'll get one right angle triangle. This is actually L, this is R, then this is height. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. L square is equal to H square plus R square. L square is equal to H square plus R square. Right now? Then L is equal to, we need slant height now. L is equal to square root of H square plus R square. Square root of H square plus R square. Then substitute the value. R square H square. 12 square, that is 144. 5 square, that is 25. Then 144 plus 25 is 169. 169. Square root of 169 is what? 13. 13. Yes. So which option is right? Option C is the right answer. Here which concept we have to use actually? L square is equal to H square plus R square, that is L is equal to square root of H square plus R square topic we have to take. Okay. Next. Last question. Last question. A frustum of a cone-shaped jaggery is melted. Frustum of a cone-shaped jaggery. Frustum of cone shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಜಾಗರಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಜಾಗರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಫ್ರಸ್ಟಮ್ ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಉಂಡೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲದು ಫ್ರಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋಯಿಶ್ ಕಲರ್ ಉಂಡೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಉಂಡೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೀಮೌಲ್ಡೆಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕರಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೀಶೇಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಶೇಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ದೆನ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್, and volume of sphere, they are speaking about the volume of sphere. Let us see the option. 3 times the volume of frustum, 2 times the volume of frustum, half of the volume of frustum, equal to the volume of frustum. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೀವು ಆ ಬೆಲ್ಲನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಮನೇಲಿ ಕಾಯಿಸಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಆ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡತ್ತಾ? 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗಿಬಿಡತ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮಾಯ ಆಗಿಬಿಡತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ನ ಕರಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಉಂಡೆ ಕಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ರಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೂ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಜಾದು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಕರಗಿಸಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಥವಾ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ತುಂಬ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಹಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 ತಾಸು ಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಕಾಯಿಸಿ 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 ಕತ್ತು ಹೋದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಬಹುದೇನೋ, ಬಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ರಿಮೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಸ್ಟಮ್, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ, equal to the volume of frustum. That is option D. Option D, equal to the volume of frustum. Yes, equal to the volume of frustum. Got the idea of this paper now? Yes. So this is about one model paper. Okay.